roof of that building.
There's a construction site on the south end. There's like 4 or 5 guys there on the top of it. I put a marker on it.
Shit, accidental 360.
Ahmad Al-Hayadi.
I'm putting a toe popper at the bottom of the ladder of the fucking hospital building.
All you gotta do is start yelling. Direct.
See if they noticed that. I doubt they did. Oh shit.
On in the rice field. Oh.
May not be anyone. Oh shit. I don't know what hit me, but I just fucking got shot. And I don't think my toe popper went off. I don't know why my game's lagging so much, man.
Yeah, there's a lot of things going on, and this is Saigon map as well.
Yeah, that's true. But it generally doesn't chug this much when I'm mining servers. So I wonder if it's because all the AI are fucking linked to us in one way or another.
I'm inside their construction site. I'm gonna set as many satchels as I can before they kill me.
Do it. Tell them you're their sexy widow baby. And then blow them up.
Chow watch on this guy outside.
Alright, yeah, they still got guys in that fob that we thought was abandoned. Not very many from the looks of it, but...
Yeah, there are also a couple of guys around, you know, sniping on the roofs. So be careful, guys. Not in that FOB, but around it. I just got hit by 2 of them.
I'm gonna hit him from the other side.
Okay, where you are to your northwest, Chow.
Chow,
Oh, I died, but any explosions?
And you did your job.
Oh, they just Willy Pete me inside of a fucking bunker.
I think I've destroyed the building because I fell through the floor.
Oh, nice. It's the case. Very nice, man.
Oh my god, just kill me. I don't even want to try to withstand.
You just hit the respawn from the menu.
Yeah.
That's what I started doing, because I kept
Like, I
getting
don't even
shot
wanna
whenever I
think
tried
anymore.
to withstand, because I always get caught in the shittiest spots.
Man, this is Very tough garrison.